Hello guys, so if you're looking to invite friends on your Temu application, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So after you open your Temu application, just simply close any pop-ups that appears, then just simply go to a U option at the bottom, then scroll down and you will find a column called Earn Credit and Free Gifts. Click on it. Now you will have multiple options to invite your friends, but what I like is free gifts. So just simply click on continue. You can choose any other option of your liking, but I'm going to choose free gifts. So click on that. Now over here you can choose any gift that you want. So if you're able to bring 20 people or 20 friends through your Temu link, you will be able to get few gifts from Temu for free. So that is the reason why I am sending them an invitation link from my Temu. So now let's choose some gifts. Firstly, I'm going to choose the air fryer. You can choose anything of your liking. You can choose multiple gifts if you have that offer. As you can see, I have an offer of picking up 5 gifts, but I'm going to just simply choose 2. So the second gift is, I'll choose this teddy. Click on a gift, choose whatever color or variant you want, then click on confirm the gift. Now if you want, you can also choose more gifts, but I'm gonna choose confirm. Now all you have to do is just simply click on I'm good. If you're choosing less than 5, if you've already made an account in Temu, just simply choose that account with your address in that, then click confirm address. Now all you have to do is just simply invite some friends and you will get these gifts for free. So what you have to do is just simply choose whatever you want over here. Nothing related, so just simply choose it. Now after you getting few promo codes, you will get the link to send invite to your friends. As you can see, you will get the invitation link over here which says invite friends for free gift. Click on it, then you will be able to invite your friends from any of the social media available on your device, or you can also copy the link by clicking on copy link over here and the link will be copied, or you can directly send them through message if you want that as well. You can also click on more and you have more options over here, as you can see. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.